Hi, in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process of configuring Oxylabs proxies with MuLogin. Let's get right into it. Start by downloading MuLogin from their official website, install and run it. Open the tool and click Add Browser. You'll be placed in the basic configuration section. Scroll down and click on Proxy Settings. Choose the proxy type and fill in the required information. For this particular example, let's use Oxylabs residential proxies. Use HTTP as the proxy type, fill in proxylabs.io as the IP address, 7777 as port number, and include your proxy user's username and password in login user and login password fields. If you're using a different proxy server type, such as datacenter or ISP, you need to change the proxy details respectively. After entering your information, you can check the network to see if the process works. Detailed IP and country information should be displayed. If you'd like to add a session ID, your login user will change to customer username CC country city CESID custom information. Note that with residential proxies, specific locations are configured through login user details. The usage of country-specific entries is also available. Entering uspr.oxylabs.io under the IP address and 10,000 under port will acquire you a US exit node. More information on country-specific nodes can be found in Oxylabs documentation. Lastly, after filling out your proxy information, choose a display name, scroll down and click Save. And that's it. Your setup is done. Thanks for watching.